Low self-confidence is like driving through life with your handbrake on. Nobody is born with limitless self-confidence. And if someone you know seems to have incredible self-confidence, it's because he or she has worked on building it for years. Self-confidence is something that you learn to build up, because the challenging world of business and life in general can often deflate it. Fortunately, there are things you can do to boost your self-confidence. Whether you lack confidence in one specific area or you struggle to feel confident about anything, these strategies can help. And here is a foolproof formula that can massively improve your confidence levels over time. We call them the 4 C's that stand for courage, commitment, capability, and confidence. Let's begin with courage. All renewed confidence begins with an act of courage. Whether it's starting a business, moving cities, or having children, courage is about showing a willingness to go out of your comfort zone and throw yourself into the unknown. Then we have commitment. Commitment is about having the grit to see something to the end, no matter what it is. A relationship, a job, a diet, or a work of art. You're not going to achieve anything without having the commitment to see it through. Next comes capability, which refers to the skills we possess already and our willingness to learn new ones by reading, learning, and exploring. We need to be prepared to work on specific skills if we were to achieve our goals. If your goal is to become an expert chef, for instance, then you're going to need to pick up a few cooking skills. By focusing on the first 3 C's, confidence will flow naturally. Courage, commitment, capability all improve your confidence because they are the basis for any real achievement. For a little confidence boost right now, grab a pen and paper and write a list of your victories. These include every skill you're good at, every achievement you're proud of, and every quality you admire in yourself. We tend to move from our victories pretty quickly and dwell much longer on our failures. This last exercise helps us remember that we've actually achieved far more than we give ourselves credit for.